how to change WhatsApp status layout. Now recently status on WhatsApp have changed due to the recent update. So if we navigate through our WhatsApp right here, we can then go ahead and see a different layout on the WhatsApp application. Now if you want to change it back to the original, you simply want to unfollow all of the updates or statuses right here on this page. As an example, I'll go ahead and unfollow this one. And you can just go ahead and repeat until you unfollow everyone on your status right here. And right after unfollowing everyone on your status, it will then go ahead and revert back to the original layout right here. Now that is all you have to do in order to change back to the original layout. And so if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.